Hello, this is our new type touch screen metal detector. Now we test the authority. This is about 20 kilogram. Now we test it first without any metal. Start. Pass through the machine. And then we put the test card. 2.5 millimeter ferrous metal. And then we can detect it and alarm. And then we change another. This is non-ferrous 3.5 millimeter. Now we run the machine. It also can be detected and alarmed. And this is stop. And we tested the stainless steel 4.0 millimeter. It also can be detected. 再测一遍 And then we take out all the test card, just the sorting. Just pass through the machine. Okay.